Today I'm reviewing this 2-pack of photography super clamps. These clamps are a little bit more robust and bulky than my other clamps, but they work so much better. There is this removable chuck that converts this from working on a flat surface to being able to easily grip a round surface such as a pipe or a pole. It includes the 5/8 inch stud. That allows it to serve as a standard lighting mount point. There's even a 1/4 thread that can be used. These are extremely versatile, and in my opinion, these are a great value at just $26 per clamp in this 2-pack. I would definitely buy these again and have no problem recommending to others. I'm rating these clamps 5 out of 5 stars.
Very, very strong, very heavy. Rosetta grip in the middle.